Good morning, everyone. Since we have finished discussing the effective teaching and learning in electronic classroom, today we will now proceed to our next topic wherein we will tackle promoting collaborative and transformative learning in cyberspace using the OER or the Open Educational Resources. So, for our objectives, first, identify the tools used for facilitating collaboration and innovation in the classroom. Second, can differentiate the difference between transformative and collaborative learning. For our introduction, promoting collaborative and transformative learning in cyberspace involves leveraging the power of technology and open educational resources to create an inclusive and engaging environment. So when we say cyberspace, it is an interconnected digital environment. An environment wherein may ara nga kinalain-lain nga mga digital tools nga maka-collaborate si teachers kag si students. So, what is OER or Open Educational Resources? OER refers to freely accessible educational materials that can be used, shared, and adapted by educators and learners. OER can include textbooks, lecture notes, videos, interactive and simulations, and more. By utilizing OER, educators can provide more inclusive and accessible learning experiences as learners can access resources at no cost and customize them to suit their needs. So, OER is educational materials that free from everyone. So, what is transformative learning? This type of learning focuses on challenging existing beliefs and perspectives, encouraging critical thinking and personal growth. In cyberspace, transformative learning can be fostered by providing diverse perspectives and alternative viewpoints. Through OER, open educational resources often offer a wide range of materials that can be expose learners to different ideas, cultures, and experiences. So in short, transformative learning often occurs when someone are confronted with new informations, experiences, or challenges that challenge their existing beliefs and assumptions, prompting them to re-evaluate their perspectives and make significant changes in their thinking and behavior. Next is the collaborative learning. This approach encourages students to work together, share ideas, and solve problems collectively. In cyberspace, collaborative learning can be facilitated through various online tools and platforms such as discussion forums, video conferencing, and collaborative document editing. OER can provide a wealth of resources for collaborative learning, allowing students to access and contribute to open educational performance. So now let's discuss the tools for facilitating collaboration and innovation in the classroom. First tool is Google Apps for Education. The Google Drive apps enable students and teachers to collaborate more effectively on paper, spreadsheet, and presentations. The beauty of Google Suite for Education is several people can contribute simultaneously, so it's truly designed for collaboration.
Flipgrid is a video discussion community for your classroom that uses students' voices to promote collaboration, discussion, and engagement. Flipgrid is a great way to build communicational skills of your students while facilitating collaborations. Kahoot. Kahoot is a game-based classroom response system that gives educators an engaging way to test the knowledge of their students. MindMister. MindMister is a collaborative web-based tool that enables groups to brainstorm on one mind map document during the early phases of group work. Students can continue to use the document for collaboration during the course of project. Google Meet. Google Meet, great way to bring remote groups of students together and communicate and collaborate with Google Meet. Inviting a guest speaker into the classroom has ever been easy. Theories behind collaborative learning. Social constructivist learning theory. People learn through social interaction and peer relationships and achieve their developmental milestones as a result of that interaction. Situated learning theory. Learning occurs in authentic context with social interaction and collaboration as the key components. Collaborative learning theory is a relationship in a group of students of requires positive interdependence, individual accountability towards learning, interpersonal skills, communication, trust, leadership, decision making in conflict
Tama na.
resolution and interaction.
2